Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to see deleted tasks on Asana. So first of all, we have this task, just delete this task, click here, delete task. Now you can see our task is deleted. So what we need to do, just click on search. Now go to advanced search option. So you can see there are multiple options available here. So what we need to do, click on add filters. So under the add filters, just click on more and now click on deleted option. So finally when you click on deleted option, you can click on search. Now you can find the deleted projects deleted task here. You can see our web design task is appeared here. You can also see all the deleted tasks on Asana in this page. So this is the simple way to see deleted tasks on Asana.